How can cross-cultural health research remain ethical? Imagine trying to understand health beliefs in a community where decisions are made by family elders or community leaders. It's like trying to fit a puzzle piece into a picture that's constantly changing. That's why understanding how to do health research across different cultures is so important. In anthropology, we learn that ethics in research are not the same everywhere. They depend on local customs, history, and values. What is okay in one place might be seen as disrespectful in another. So researchers need to be aware of these differences to avoid causing harm or mistrust. Respecting the rights and dignity of all participants is at the heart of ethical research. But in many cultures, health choices are made collectively, not just by individuals. For example, a community might prefer to give oral consent during a group meeting instead of signing a form. Researchers must adapt to these norms to ensure participation is truly voluntary and understood. Building trust is also key. This means engaging with community members throughout the research process, not just at the start. Researchers should listen to local leaders and understand community power dynamics. They might need to adjust their methods, like holding meetings in familiar spaces or using local languages. This ongoing dialogue helps make sure everyone is comfortable and informed. Researchers should also reflect on their own background and biases. Their position of power can influence how they gather data and interpret results. Using methods like participant observation and long-term fieldwork helps researchers see the bigger picture and notice ethical issues they might otherwise miss. Getting local collaborators involved from the beginning is another step. They can help shape questions that matter to the community and ensure findings are shared fairly. Transparency about goals, methods, and potential risks builds trust and prevents misunderstandings. It's also important to think about how benefits are shared. Research should not exploit communities but aim to help them. For example, sharing results in ways that are useful locally or supporting health initiatives based on findings. Accountability goes beyond just following rules. Researchers need to be responsive, admit mistakes, and make changes if needed. Ethical research is a process of mutual respect and learning. In the end, doing health research across cultures can be ethical if it's flexible, respectful, and rooted in real partnerships. It's about understanding local ways of knowing, engaging honestly, and ensuring fairness. When researchers follow these principles, they can do work that is both scientifically sound and genuinely respectful of the communities they study.